In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom survey in HubSpot. Whether you're trying to gather feedback or improve user experiences, custom surveys can be a powerful tool. I'm here to guide you through each step of creating your survey, ensuring it's tailored to get the most relevant information from your audience. First, we'll begin by accessing the HubSpot user guide. To do this, navigate to the HubSpot website and ensure you're signed into your account. Once logged in, you'll want to locate the User Guide section. This can typically be found in the main navigation menu. The User Guide is your primary resource to navigate various features offered by HubSpot, and it's the first step to beginning your survey creation process. After you've accessed the User Guide, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Service tab. By selecting this option, you're diving into a suite of tools dedicated to service management and client interaction. You'll find tools that range from managing contacts to handling tickets. This area is crucial as it acts as the operational hub for all service-related activities within HubSpot. Now that you've clicked on Service, you'll need to locate the Feedback Surveys option. Click on this to open up the survey tools available in HubSpot. Feedback surveys allow you to design and deploy surveys that help gather insights directly from your users or clients. This section is particularly helpful if you're looking to understand user satisfaction or gather constructive criticism. As you access the Feedback Surveys section, you'll notice different options available to create and manage surveys. Here you can start building your custom survey by following the prompts and using the tools provided. Pay close attention to the survey creation page as it offers various customization options, from choosing question formats to editing the design template. Remember, a well-thought-out survey not only collects data, but also enhances the user experience by being intuitive and engaging. When drafting your questions, consider what insights you hope to gain. Clarity is key. Make sure each question is straightforward and directly related to your goal. Tailor your questions to the specifics of your audience and make them as concise as possible to maintain engagement. Since you now understand how to create the survey, take advantage of HubSpot's reporting features to analyze the data gathered. Reviewing this feedback will provide actionable insights that can drive improvements and inform future decisions, making it an essential aspect of the customer experience strategy. That's it! After learning how to create a custom survey, you are now equipped to gather valuable feedback from your clients using HubSpot. By following these steps, you can ensure that your surveys are effective, insightful, and user-friendly. Thank you for watching and happy surveying.